What's up, guys? Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. As you guys see, we're in Wynwood right now. I got our Vermeil 19mm prong set Cuban link on my neck right now, man. Amazing quality right here. Right here we have the Moissanite tennis chain, man. As I've been making videos and showing you guys on Instagram. Our next video we'll be reviewing this chain right here. But as you guys can see, man, we're here downtown Wynwood, and you guys see the ice on my neck, man. Look at this. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about, man. This is quality right here, man. What is up, guys? Astroice Jewelry back in the building for another video for you guys, man. And today in this video, as you guys read in the title, we are reviewing our 19mm prong set Cuban link in Vermeil. Some of you guys don't know what Vermeil is. So what Vermeil is a real solid silver base with a beautiful gold plating on top. Guys, we have it in the box right here. This is the box you get when you purchase from Astroice Jewelry. And this is gonna be an insane review, man. A solid silver Cuban link, all iced out, a beautiful, beautiful chain, man. And you guys are gonna see it in this video. So let's go ahead, get into the unboxing and show you guys this beautiful chain in here. Okay, so here's the box right here. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Boom, you got the pouch in there. Here's the Astroice pouch. You go ahead and open that up. And there's a chain right inside there, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful chain, man. And you cannot beat it. In real solid silver, 925. But look how amazing this is right here, man. A real solid silver Cuban link wrapped up in a very protective plastic. So when we're shipping it, everything is nice and protected and no stones are falling out or anything like that. Man, we definitely take care of our chains while they're in the shipping process, and we're gonna go ahead and unwrap this and show you guys the beautiful shine and quality of this chain. And this chain right here is 20 inches, as you guys will see when I put it on my neck. All right, so we have it basically all the way unwrapped. And look at that shine. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful chain right here. Wow. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. This chain looks beautiful, as you guys can see. So let me go ahead and zoom the camera in and show you guys the detail on this chain. Let's get to it. So as you guys can see, man, right here is the close-up, and oh my gosh, do you see how beautiful this chain is right here? With a silver base, man, this chain is gonna last you forever. This is definitely an amazing, amazing investment if you love jewelry. A silver Cuban link iced out, this piece will last you forever, and look how amazing that looks. Man, Astroice Jewelry, we do not play with quality, we do not play with our design. Our Cuban links are one of the best Cuban links made around, man, as you guys can see right there. Look at that, look at that. We have some of the best designed Cuban links in the world, man. Look at this. I mean, I'm just showing you guys. You guys can see it for yourself right here. And who else is selling affordable silver Cuban links, man? We got it right here for you guys, man. We're making sure that we get you guys right. Astroice Jewelry, man, you guys know the only thing we want is to make sure that you guys get the best prices and the best quality. And we got it right here, man. So let me go ahead and see if I can show you guys the back and show you guys that 925. There you guys see it right there, man. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you guys. 925 silver, as you guys can see right there, man. So now we're gonna show you guys the quality of the box lock on this chain. Go ahead, open that up, put it there. Let me bring that next to the mic so you guys can hear it. Locks in, and man, right there, ooh, right there you got you a beautiful, beautiful iced out silver Cuban link, man. You cannot go wrong with this chain right here. There is no way you can go wrong with this chain right here. You can get you a matching bracelet, as you guys can see right there, man. A bracelet is fire. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the neck and show you guys how it looks. Let's get to it. All right, so here's the close-up for you guys. A real nice close-up, man. Look how amazing that looks right there. The quality on our chains, man, this thing is just insane, as you guys can see. Oh my gosh, look at the quality on this chain right here. You guys can see, man, we do not play with our quality. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. As you guys can see, look at that beautiful Cuban link on my neck, man. Solid 925 silver, and this thing just looks insane, as you guys can see right there. And look at that side of the neck profile, and look at the quality on this chain right here, man. You cannot go wrong with this right here. Look at that quality. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Coming to you guys with the best reviews and the best iced out Cuban links that you can get. Look at the beautiful quality on this chain right here. Everything will be linked down below in the description, our website, the link to this chain, And I don't think you guys will find this chain anywhere else for under $1,000 like we are providing it for you guys, man. So go ahead, press that link if you're interested, man. And this is just regular studio lighting. You go out in the sun and you get some sunlight on this thing will be ringing like crazy, man. Rainbows and everything. So you got everything you need right here in this Cuban Link. One more thing I do want to show you guys is the box lock. And you guys can see, man, the quality on this box lock is insane, man. Look at that. You go ahead and lift it up for you guys. And it's just made with pristine quality, as you guys can see right there. All right, guys, and the final thing, man, a lot of you guys have been asking for me to use the diamond tester on it. So I went and bought a diamond tester for you guys, and we're about to use this diamond tester on it. So first we're gonna turn it on and let it warm up. I'm gonna go ahead and let it warm up, and then we're gonna test these diamonds, boy.
All right, guys, so I just put the mic on me, so sorry if the bottom of the chain is like a little sideways. It's because it's laying on it, but just keep that in mind. Usually it will lay flat, but just keep that in mind because I have the mic on me. It's laying a little funny at the bottom. But anyways, so I got this diamond tester. It's already warmed up, and we're about to test these stones, man. But first of all, this chain is 925 solid silver iced out with CZ stones, so most likely it's not going to ring as a real diamond. But guys, stay tuned, because after this I have something that will make this thing ring.
You see when it make that sound, it's because it's touching metal. That sound right there is when it's touching metal. That's the stone right there. That thing ain't moving.
So right here we have a beautiful tennis chain that I will be doing a whole review on, so I'm not going to show you guys too much in this video. But what this tennis chain is made of is 925 silver and moissanite. It's very good quality. It's very strong like a diamond. It has a lot of characteristics just like a diamond, and the shine on these things are beautiful, man. I've been posting it on our Instagram, Astroice_jewelry. I've been posting this chain a whole bunch, man, because I just cannot get enough of the shine on this chain. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the diamond tester and we're gonna test these stones. Guys, this chain is up on the website. I'll go ahead and put the link down in the description for you guys. This is our 925 3mm, well, you can choose a millimeter, but 3mm 925 silver tennis chain with moissanite. We're gonna go ahead, let me get close to you guys. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test these stones. I really want to get it better for you guys, because I know you little trolls like to call out and stuff. You see that, right? I'm on the stone there. You look, this is the sound it makes when it hits metal. This is the sound it makes when it hits metal. This is the sound it makes when it hits a diamond. You guys see that, right? So nobody's hitting no metal, no nothing, and nobody's messing with. Actually, I'm supposed to have it on 4 as the setting said. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. You guys see it right there. I'm not hitting metal. There's nothing else for me to hit. If I hit the metal, it makes this sound. So I'm not hitting metal. These moissanites right here ring on a diamond tester. I have this tennis chain up right now on the website. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll put it in the link in the description. And man, the shine on these things, I'm not gonna do a whole review in this video for you guys, but the shine on this chain is crazy. We're gonna be having a video of this chain coming very soon. All right, guys, so later on in the future, if you guys are interested in us making a 19mm prong set Cuban Link 925 silver with moissanite stones, let us know and we'll definitely take that into consideration. All right, and as you guys know, right now you're watching Astroice Jewelry, and man, what do we like to do? What do we like to do? We like to do giveaways, man. You guys already know we have to do a giveaway for our 925 silver chains. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna be this one, because you know this one a little pricey, but definitely in our future videos we will be doing one of these. But this thing right here has a lot of weight. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the scale before this video finishes for you guys. So we will be doing a 925 12mm prong set Cuban Link giveaway. Guys, we will be giving away one of our 12mm prong set Cuban Links in real silver for this video. All you have to do to enter the giveaway, comment down below. Just leave a nice positive comment what you guys think about this chain. So go ahead and comment down below, press the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Guys, make sure everybody's able to see these videos. Everybody around you, make sure they see this video, man, because this is something that I know a lot of people are looking for. A silver Cuban Link that's great, amazing quality. So go ahead and share the video, friends and family, press the like button, subscribe button, post notification. All right, guys, so that's the rules to enter the giveaway. All right, guys, so definitely stay tuned for this next video because we are giving away a real silver Cuban link, man, something that's gonna last forever. And as you guys see, man, this chain on me right here, man, I just feel different right now, man. This thing, the confidence in it, you know, everything in it, it just feels good, you know. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking this chain a lot, man. This one and the Moissanite tennis chain, ooh, I'm gonna be rocking them things like crazy for sure, man. So thank you guys for watching the video, man. Oh, and let me go ahead and put this chain on the scale for you guys. All right, we got our handy dandy scale right here. Guys, I promise I only use this for shipping out packages, okay? I swear. All right, let me go ahead and take the chain off. Boom, boom, boom. I hope you guys can hear me good. Aim that towards me. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and zero it for you guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna record this part of the video on my phone. All right, guys, the scale is zeroed right there. We have our 925 silver Cuban link right here, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the scale. Let's go ahead and get it on. All right, 303 grams of silver. As I've been telling you guys, we are not playing. 303 grams of silver right here, man. This right here is an amazing chain. Let me go ahead and get closer for you guys so you guys can see it a little better. 925 silver Cuban link, and this thing will last you forever, man. So the investment is definitely worth it. Well, all right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you enter that giveaway, and just make sure you keep showing love to our Instagram, to our YouTube, to our Facebook, even though we don't post that much on our Facebook. If you guys want to get in contact with us, astroicejewelry@gmail.com or astroice_jewelry on Instagram. And man, you guys can go ahead and get in contact with us, and just if you have any questions, we're always there. We always communicate with our customers and our clients, and we always take care of you guys, man. You guys always know we always take care of you. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching the video, man. Definitely stay tuned for our future videos. We will be making a video of our Moissanite tennis chain very, very soon. And if you guys want to see more videos of our Moissanite tennis chain, go ahead to our Instagram. We've been posting it on our story like crazy. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.